Hi, Wes Scott from Lifeback Law Firm. Today we're going to talk about who receives notice. You filed bankruptcy in Minneapolis, Minnesota by Dr. Amanda Rosback, a really good blog. People want to know, hey, who's going to know I filed bankruptcy, right? And for most consumer debtors, this doesn't get published anywhere. It used to be back in the day they would publish them in the paper, but when I first started practicing, I think I saw that a little bit, but I haven't seen that in years, long time. And if people want to do an in-depth search, could they find it? Yeah, they could, but in most instances, they're going to have to find a website which houses bankruptcy information. And then when they get to that website, the website is going to want you to link your credit card to it so that when you search, it costs you money. Who's going to do this? I always remind people, when's the last time you went down and checked out your neighbor's criminal or divorce records? Easy to access them, real easy. And yet nobody does this. It's like, and my theory on it has always been and always will be that, we all have our crosses to carry, and I'm worried about mine. You're worried about yours. Your neighbor's worried about theirs. We all have these burdens, and I'm not interested in. So I get the concern, but I will tell you, the other thing I've always thought of, and I still believe and always will believe, is, you don't need to make excuses for protecting your family. Everybody's going to protect their family. I don't care who you are. And if you don't, you probably are going to get in trouble. Really. No, you're going to protect your creditors over your family. We're all human. We all have human things happen. Nobody's an angel, right? And so, the reality is that your employer doesn't find out unless you owe your employer money. Your family and friends don't find out unless you owe them money. Or there is something that a trustee could claw back. You paid your sister $5,000 2 weeks ago. Well, she's probably going to have some questions from a trustee in your bankruptcy case. So when the time is right, when you are ready to get your life back, reach out to Lifeback Law Firm, Minnesota's most kind and helpful bankruptcy law firm. You're going to be so thankful you did.